Hello everyone, welcome back to Lean On Learning channel. In today's video, we will be looking into some of the advanced filter options available in MS Excel. Now, what is the difference between using basic filter option as well as advanced option? Now, whenever you are going to apply basic filter, the worksheet will have only the filter data and not the source data. But if you want both the source data as well as the filter data in the same worksheet, or you have to copy it to a different location, both can be done using the advanced option. This is why most of the people, they prefer advanced filter option. Now, how we have to do this advanced filter option? Before that, you have to take three things into consideration whenever you are doing advanced filter option. The first thing is you have to select the source data range. Now, this is what our source data table. So, similarly, you should also select your source data table, and based on what criteria you are going to apply the advanced filter, it should also be represented with the same column header. For example, here if I am going to sort based on unique ID, then you should create a criteria range with unique ID as the column head. You should not change that. That is the basic requirement for applying advanced filter. Okay, now the third thing which you have to take it into consideration is you should also be specific about the destination where you are going to paste it. Okay, now let us move into the category of advanced option. Okay, now just click it. When you click the advanced filter option, the first action, the prompt will ask you filter the list in place. That is, this is similar to the basic option which we are doing. If you want, I'll show you. Okay, the list range, as we have already selected, the list range is obviously enabled there. The criteria range, there is some other criteria range. I'll edit it. Just click the option here. So this is what the criteria range I should have. Okay, I have selected it. Now go back to the prompt. Now here there is an option copy to. But why it is not enabled? Because it is already showing you filter the list in place. If you want it, I'll show you. This is what you get in the basic filter option. The K record has been displayed now. But we want all source data as well as the filter data if in the same sheet or in a different location, then we have to use advanced. Okay, now before that, let me remove it. So I'm cancelling it here right now. I'm going to clear option. Okay, this give clear. The filter will get disabled. Now what we are going to do? We are going with the advanced filter. Right, select advanced filter. The list we are going to copy to another location, so therefore check that. Okay, now it is asking what is your list range. The list range has already been selected from A. If you want, you can do it. I'll show you. This is how you are going to select it. Okay, you have to select the entire data, then go back for selecting the criteria range. This is what the criteria range, yeah, it is also selected. Now go to where I have to copy. Now this is showing some other location. I'll make it again. I'm choosing this. Okay, this is the, so it is enough that you choose a single cell. That is quite enough. Okay, don't want to select the entire range. Just give, okay. You can see when I scroll my sheet to the right side, you can see that it has been pasted there. Okay, here I am just extending the column. Okay, right. So whatever sheets, whatever records, not the sheets, whatever records which have K as the unique ID, it has been filtered and it is pasted in the same active sheet where we are working. We have the source data as well as the filter data in the same sheet. Now this will help you in many ways. Now how to paste the same thing in another location, another sheet? Now what you have to do is, for that you have to remember one particular condition. The condition is your cursor should be in the sheet where you are going to paste it. I'll show you now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to select a new sheet, that is sheet 3. Okay, so here I'm selecting the advanced option. Okay, it is asking for the initially select copy to another location. It is asking the list range. The list range is right now not in sheet 3. It is present in sheet 2. So remember it, you are going back to sheet 2. You are selecting the data range, right? Then go to the prompt again. Go for the, it is asking for criteria range. It is also in sheet 2. You have to select it. Okay, as our cursor is already placed in sheet 3, the location is being displayed in copy 2. Now just give OK. You can see it has been placed. The filtered records are placed. Now this is how you are going to do your advanced filter option. But if you are not going to have your cursor in the active sheet where you want your filter data to appear, then you will find an error. So just remember it, whenever you want the location to be on another sheet, your cursor should be in that particular sheet. That will be considered as your active sheet. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Keep supporting my channel. Do subscribe my channel and share your valuable comments in the comment box. Thank you.